So I'm setting up a tuff tray that is essentially focusing on Small World. So right now I'm just doing the train tracks, and then I'll add some trains. And then we have some cornflakes and cereal mix here. So I'll just set that up there. And I'm gonna add some more. This is good for children's sensory development, as some children may find it difficult to touch anything's not smooth. I'm gonna leave some hole for them to break by themselves and just explore. And just set it up inside. Break some in half. The Weetabix and the cereal just represent construction materials, which could be gravel, cement, etc. The children are encouraged to just use their imagination as well. And just explore everything inside. I'm also going to add some mini bricks to enhance the construction idea. So as children are playing, they can build and construct and just use their imagination and build whatever they want to build. I have some ice cream cones that are representing pylons. So just putting that around. You can also add some more mini bricks, just anywhere in the tray. And this is also good because children can also practice turn taking with some of the toys, such as the diggers and the trucks and the excavators. And we have some mini construction people as well that they can play with around the tray. Oops. We also have some mini diggers and excavators that they can use, and that is basically done. We have some construction uniforms here so they can really get into character. So yeah.